Cut 2 plywood 18 mm with measure 80 mm x 20 mm. Make template on plywood using electric hand planer. Make sure the position straight and 90 degrees angled. Drill and cut the template made before using jigsaw. Make slot on the template that cut, it used for the hand planer easily to in or out. Make template on other plywood using hand planer, and cut with jigsaw. Measure and cut the edge of plywood. Use paper tape to pile both plywood up to get same cut. Cut using miter saw with angle 45 degrees. Measure the distance between electric hand planer and plywood. I fill the gap between it using MDF 15 mm. Use glue and nail gun to install MDF on plywood. Clamp the hand planer on plywood to make hole. Drill the hole based on the hand planer to plywood. Use long bolt M10 on the hole made before. After install it, measure and cut the excess bolt. Grinder the edge of bolt. Make holes to lock the extension board for hand planer. Cut plywood 18 mm for base of the jointer with measure 93 mm x 800 mm. Then cut plywood 18 mm with measure 60 mm x 93 mm. Mark the middle of the plywood. Assemble all of cut of plywoods, use glue, nail gun, and screw to make it strong. Cut MDF 15 mm using table saw to make extension board hand planner. Assemble all cut of MDF, use glue, nail gun, and screw. Put the extension board on the jointer, and mark the holes made before. Then, drill the holes based on the mark. I use T-nut claw inside the extension board. Use C-clamp to fasten T-nut claw. I give aluminium layer on the extension board for flatter surface and durable. Cut the excess of the aluminium using hand router. To lock the extension board, I use star knob and M8 bolt. Cut the head of M8 bolt. Use epoxy glue on the bolt to lock it into the star knob. Cut MDF 15 mm to make stand for the sliding fence. Assemble all cut of MDF together. Measure and mark the middle of the stand for the sliding fence. I make T-slot for the sliding system for fence. Also add T-slot on the fence. Measure and mark to make hole. Put the stand for sliding fence to jointer, use glue, nail gun, and screw to make it strong. Put power push button on the jointer. Use paper tape to mark the position of the power push button. Then cut using jigsaw. Put the power push button on the jointer, and make sure the position is right and straight. Cable on power push button. Make sure everything is right because it's important step. Fasten and set the position of the fence. I give optional to put featherboard on the fence to avoid the kickback. On first trial, I use raw sono-kalaying wood. I use DIY push block for safety, because it's important. I really like the result, really flat and smooth.